Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hema and today I have a 10-10 portal, the October 10th portal reading for all the air signs. Okay, so we will be doing 3 piles today, one for Gemini, one for Libra, one for Aquarius. Okay, so you may watch your own sun moon rise sign video, or you may watch all. Okay, there will be messages probably for the collective also. The 10-10 portal is very important portal because 4 major planets are moving direct now. Okay, so Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter and Pluto will be moving forward. Now these are major biggies. Okay, these are big guys of the planetary system, and when they move, that means you usher in new energies which take us forward on our path. Okay, so this portal, especially the 10-10 portal, is very important to help us realize our potentials. Okay, that is the main reason, or shall we say, that is the main function of this 10-10 portal, which is to say that it makes us aware of our potential. Now many a times we are aware of the potential, but it's almost hidden. Okay, because we don't do anything about it, or sometimes we are unable to utilize our potential. So this portal unleashes that potential and helps us move forward in a very positive manner in some particular aspect of our life or in all aspects of our life. Okay, so I am excited to see how the air signs are going to fare today. I'm a Gemini moon, so as always I'm very curious to see how Gemini readings are going, but I love you all. Okay, so I'm so grateful to all of you for your wonderful likes and your subscriptions. Thank you so much. I'm deeply grateful to all of you. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video today again. Okay, so let's get your cards on the table and then we will jump into the reading. All right, so I hope you're all fine, doing well. I'm recording this on the 7th of October, and just last night we had the new moon. So new moons are all about new energies, okay, that we are bringing into our lives. So let me just keep them properly, and we'll start with Gemini first. Gemini, let's jump into your reading and see what cards have you got. Believe it or not, you've got the blue moon. Believe in the impossible, Gemini. Wow, what a powerful way to start your reading. Love it. This is about, see, anything impossible is our limiting thoughts. There is nothing impossible for the divine. There's nothing impossible for the Almighty, for the universe. Okay, the limitation is all in our minds, and that is coming to the fore. That you are being asked to not be limited in your thoughts, not be limited in your desires and ambitions. Go for it, Gemini. Aim for the stars. That is the message I get, and it's a once in a blue moon time. Okay, we say that, don't we? So you've drawn the blue moon, so make sure that you utilize this 10-10 portal for making your manifestation rituals. If you are doing it, fantastic. If not, I would suggest you start. Okay, you may light a candle to bring make your manifestations, or you may journal it. You may say your prayers, you may do your spiritual work, you may do your rituals, whatever it is. Use the 10-10 portal to dream big. Big, I mean really big. Okay, love it. Okay, so you have the suppression card. Yes, Gemini, this is the energy that you were feeling, right? Of feeling suppressed, depressed, sort of stuck in a particular place, and not getting the results that you want, not being appreciated for who you are and for the potential that you have, the value that you bring to the table. Guess what? This is the number 10. Getting out of this energy. Love it. You're stepping out of this energy. And also look at the synchronicity. This is a number 10 card, and this reading is about the 10-10 portal. So it's a confirmation from the divine that you are stepping out of this suppressed energy, feeling obsessed or feeling suppressed by situations or people, circumstances. Getting out of it. Love it. Surprise. The next card is surprise. Look for the unexpected today. Wow, Gemini, there seems to be something unexpected going to happen, and it's a surprise. Now it says today, but this is being a 10-10 portal. You should expect it any time till the end of November. Something major. You've drawn a very beautiful card of believe in the impossible, and this coming out is the surprise that is going to land up in your life unexpectedly. New love, strengthening of marriage, new job, more money, good health, anything and everything, okay, that you thought was never going to be possible for you. It's coming. Wow, you're the magician. You've drawn the magician card. Can things get any better? What more do I say now? So I'm going to end your reading here with saying you are the magician. The power is within you. Aim high, dream big, because this 10-10 portal is going to open up the doors and remove all those blockages stopping you from your abundance, your true love, your happiness, your joy, your good health, your prosperity, abundance, everything. That is your reading for the 10-10 portal, Gemini. I love it and I claim it. I wish and pray that these energies work out in your life soon. If you like this reading, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share my video with all your contacts, okay? I'll see you soon. Namaste. Libra, let's start with your reading and see what the 10-10 portal is bringing into your life. And you've drawn the new moon in Capricorn. Your hard work is paying off, Libra. Lovely. Yesterday was a new moon. I'm recording this on the 7th, as I told you. Yesterday was the new moon in Libra, and you've drawn a new moon card which talks about new beginnings, new chapter, new phase, new doors opening. And this 10-10 portal is all about new beginnings, answering the call to walk the new path. It says it's confirmed again for you, okay? And you have take heart that the universe is giving you a compliment, is reassuring you that your hard work is paying off. You're on the right track. You're doing good. Keep doing the good work. Love it. Love, love, love. You've drawn the world card. We are the world, and it's a number 10. 10s are all about completions. So all the hard work that you've put in, the hard times, the challenging times are over. That's the first message. And the second message, this being a 10-10 portal reading and this being a 10 number card. This is double confirmation that you are stepping into a new energy, which is all about moving out of that hard work, tough, challenging phase that you went through. Beautiful, Libra. You deserve it. Your next card is about birth, and it says be receptive to a new idea, child or situation. So there are 3 messages here. Some of you may be wanting a child. I've been trying for a child. There's good news on the way. You will soon be able to conceive. Congratulations. The second is some situation regarding, maybe I'm getting the energy of a family relationship, a family situation was very, very tiring and was very, very challenging for you. And guess what? Things are going to be more harmonious between all of you now. Fantastic. And the third message I have is that you are going to have a new idea, a new job maybe, and a new way to approach a career. Okay, so that is going to prove very, very beneficial to you, because now it's not about hard work. Now it's going to be more easy. Hard work, not just in professional sense, even in personal. You see, personal relationships can be a lot of hard work. So there also there's going to be harmony and unease in relationships. Love it for you, Libra, love it. And you've drawn the Fool card. Very nice. This is again about new journeys, because the Fool sets off on his journey, and that's how the tarot spread starts. Okay, so you are embarking on a brand new, positive, uplifting, easy, relaxing and productive journey in your life. And this 1010 portal is going to bring a lot of newness into your life. Okay, I wish and pray that these energies work out for you very, very soon. And I leave you with all my best wishes, and I do request you to please like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it on your social media. I'll see you soon. Namaste. Aquarius, welcome to your 1010 portal reading. Let's see what you've got. Ooh, first quarter moon, your commitment is being tested. All right. So Aquarius, this is about two messages I'm getting. This is about acknowledgement from the divine that you are making progress in whatever efforts that you are doing. Okay, your efforts are recognized. That's the first message. Okay, so you may have put in a lot of effort in, say, your job or in a relationship or a friendship, or maybe in all areas you are working. Okay, so the first message is that your hard work is being recognized. Now, when there is this portal opening up, this portal is going to bring in new energies. But these energies are also going to want you to up your game. Okay, so if you put in 50% effort earlier in whatever that you are considering, now you need to put in more efforts. That is the test that divine is talking about with this, that your commitment is being tested. Okay, so your hard work is recognized, your commitment is recognized. Now you need to up your game. That is the message. Okay, good for you, Aquarius. Let's look at your second card. Yes, this is all about awareness. And this is the awareness that the divine wants you to pay attention to. This is that awareness that as you up your game, your commitment will be checked. Okay, for example, you need to be aware that if you are entering into a new job, you will need to put in more efforts now. Okay, because this job is an upgrade, so you cannot work on the same level that you were working earlier. If your life is upgraded, your efforts also need to be upgraded. All right, so that is what you need to be aware of. Whether it is a new relationship that you're entering, again, you cannot do the same things that you've done earlier. You need to be now more aware of what and how much you're giving to that relationship. So apply that in any area that you are considering. Okay, beautiful. The next card is number 5, closeness. Your unicorn is very close to you now. This is number 5, so change. This is the change, the new change which we are talking about, the new cycle, the new phase, the new chapter, the new opening that is happening with the 1010 portal in your life. Aquarius is telling you, is reassuring you that the divine is with you, and the divine is not what should we say? The divine is not leaving you alone. Okay, so that is what you need to understand, that the divine help, the divine guidance is very much there. And very rightly, you've drawn the Hanged Man card. It's about a change in the perspective. You need to look at things in a different way. That is the awareness also. It's about a different perspective, about a new awareness that you need to have, okay? A new perspective that you need to have. In anything that you do in your life, you need to bring this newfound perspective, newfound awareness, and upgrade your game, okay? So that was your reading, Aquarius. I hope and pray that these energies work out soon in your life. Remember to like, subscribe and share my video. I'll see you soon. Namaste.